Hello there. Things have been very quiet out there today and more of the same for the most part as we head through the next few days. A good deal of dry weather, bright or sunny spells and still rather warm and rather humid with it. And the settled conditions will all be thanks to high pressure, currently very much down towards the south of the UK, but over the next few days it will really start to build in from the south, settling things down nicely as we head our way into the weekend and forcing any further weather fronts very much to the north and west of us. Having said that, we do have a little bit of wet weather coming our way this evening and overnight tonight. Initially with cloud coming up from the south, we could have a scattering of showers, perhaps even the odd rumble of thunder. And then later in the night, we start to bring in more in the way of cloud from the west. That's tied up with a weak weather front, and that cloud perhaps thick enough to give one or two spots of light rain or drizzle. Ahead of that, a bit of a sticky night all round, temperatures for most of us hovering at around 17 to 19 degrees. So tomorrow morning, a muggy start to the day, quite a bit of cloud coming our way initially in association with that weak weather front, some patchy rain still as well. But as we head into the afternoon, all of that will start to pull away eastwards and we'll see a return to drier and sunnier conditions all round. Feeling a little fresher as well behind that weather front, the breeze picking up and highs tomorrow just slightly down on today's values, 22 to 24 Celsius quite widely. Now as we head overnight into Wednesday, yes, some more cloud and patchy rain tries to make a bit of headway from the west, but already that high pressure is beginning to build in from the south, and so I don't think it'll make its way towards us, and that really sets the pace for the next few days. A good deal of dry weather, some bright or sunny spells, warm though and humid by day and by night. Hello there. Well, things have been pretty quiet out there today and more of the same for the most part as we head through the next few days. A lot of dry weather in the forecast, some bright or sunny spells and warm and humid with it. And it's all thanks to high pressure. At the moment, it's very much down towards the south of us, but over the next few days, it will slowly nudge its way northwards, settling things down nicely and forcing any further cloud and rain generally further north and west. Having said that, as we head through this evening and tonight, we will have a bit more cloud feeding in from the west, and that for a time at least will bring some patchy rain. It will be fairly light in nature, for many of us a good deal of dry weather overnight, and it will also be pretty uncomfortable for sleeping. I think temperatures for just about all of us staying up 16 to 18 degrees Celsius. So a bit of a muggy start to the day tomorrow. Still cloudy skies on the scene initially and some further outbreaks of rain. But as the day wears on, signs of change. All of that starts to nudge away eastwards, leaving us with dry and fine conditions for the afternoon. Plenty of unbroken sunshine. Temperatures probably down slightly on today's values, 22, 23 Celsius for many. And with the breeze picking up a little, it should certainly feel a bit fresher than it has done today. Now as we head overnight into Wednesday, you'll see another frontal system starting to try and make some headway into the north and west, but high pressure by this time already starting to build in from the south, so that should nudge it just ever so slightly further northwards. And that bodes well then as we head through the next few days. If you like dry and fine weather, that's very much what we'll have. Cloud coming and going, but plenty of sunny spells. I think getting warmer into the weekend and rather humid by day and by night.